So today we're going to be making some kind of a spring retainer to hold these in, because the spring obviously comes right out now that we've put our long shockers in. And also we're going to be putting all new studs in the back wheels, because as you just heard, they're all knackered from taking them on and off so much. So let's jump into it. Just a nice little 90-degree bend on this 10mm flat. So this is what I've come up with, just something like that. And I'll just put a bolt nut in there, and that spring actually, because it's in a coil, that'll have preload on it. So once that's bolted up, that's not going to go anywhere. Alright, that's one done. Now let's test it out. Yeah, that's going to be a problem because the coil gets stuck there. There we go. But that's pretty good. The spring moves a little bit, which is good, but it won't fall out. Perfect. Alright, so that was a success. So now I'll just make another one the exact same for the other side, and then we can paint them up. But what I'll also have to do is just grind off these lips here. You can see the yellow paints on it where the spring grabs, just to take that edge off, just so the coil doesn't get stuck on it anymore. And there's our next one. And there we have it, all done. Just got to drill a hole in this one, and we can paint them up. Alright, that's one side complete. Let's just double check it's all going to work without them lugs being on there. You see it still gets caught a little bit. That's at full droop there. Okay, it's better. It only gets caught on the way down, but I'm thinking with the weight of the wheel, it should pull it over. And on the way back up, as you saw, it works heaps better without them lugs there. It doesn't actually get caught now. And the spring won't fall out because of our little retainer we got there. So here I've got a box of whole new studs. There they are. So what we'll do is we'll put them all in now, and we shouldn't have any more problems. One was, I didn't even have a wheel nut on it because it was that buggered. I think it was that one. There's nothing left of that one. So, but anyway, I thought I'd just replace them all rather than the one, because they're all a bit. I stupidly put grease on them a long time ago, and then obviously as soon as dirt gets on there and you undo them, it's going to bugger it up. So lesson learnt there. I'll just put the wheel nut on it so we don't damage the thread. So there's one done. Second one done.